against.
Sir,
Yes.
But okay,
as I was going to say, voodoo, Obeah, they're aligned or
exactly.
with,
It's literally
with
the same
black
thing.
magic and demonic things and all of those things. So why would we want to continue those rituals
Why
to
do you
be off?
believe? Why do you believe?
Why do you believe that Obeah and voodoo is associated with black? Notice the word black. First of all, notice the word black again. We
Yeah.
talk about, note, here comes the word
All
black.
right.
Dark.
Let
With,
us replay. Hold on,
with
sir, before
African
you
magic,
continue.
with African spirituality. With African spirituality. Stop calling the African people and stuff black and dark and evil. All this stuff. With African
Sir,
spirituality. But this class is not, I don't want to talk about that because there's a class that I would talk about. I'm going to ask you a question. Should culture transcend theology? Should theology transcend culture?